Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to activate Meta IA in WhatsApp, iPhone or Android. The method is the same, okay? At the same, okay? You need the first thing that you need make is update your app. You need open your app store and search in the app your WhatsApp, okay? Touch here and look, find phone search WhatsApp, touch here and touch in update. Okay, when you see that the update are finished, you can open your app. Okay, when you are finished that update your WhatsApp app, can you use Meta IA? Yeah, okay. I cannot use this new skills, the new function, because I'm from Colombian. In Colombian, no our ability activate enable this option. Okay, but you see now in your screen your um, picture or logo that Meta IA. Okay, if you can see anything, can you touch settings and in your chats enable this action? Can you see any screen this option that say Meta IA? Okay, and this is all. Unfortunately, for me not this option because I don't live in USA. My sim number is from Colombian. Okay, I can't use this option. Okay, well, this is all for this video. If you want to say me anything, can you write in the comments? Sorry for my bad English. See you later.